Hello lovely people, my name is Kripo and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a website where you can watch TV channels across the globe, right? So being in China, Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast, and even Ghana, yeah, you can watch TV stations across each and every country in the world with this website, right? So you go straight to Google or even Safari, whatever search web you're using, just go straight there and type in tv.garden. So type in tv.garden and click on the search icon. Once you click on the search icon, there are going to be a lot of websites or a lot of links down at the search button. Just click or tap on the first one you see right here. So this is using Google right here. So once search in tv.garden, just tap on the first one and it's going to take you to this website, right? So obviously that's the globe right there. So on the globe there are lots of countries or a lot of continents on the globe. So just search for the country you want, just tap on the country and the number of channels will be appear. So this is Ghana. So once I type on Ghana, these are the many few channels that are on the website. So we have Mopa TV, we have Joy Prime, we have Adinka, we have Adum TV. So this is Joy Prime, right?
Father and child and wife would all be thrown out of the vehicle. And those of us who even wear seatbelt, those who don't wear it become hazards to us.
Yes.
In this accident, look at how the woman runs into her and injures her as well. And that is why it's important that those who don't wear the seatbelts, we encourage them to wear because maybe they've chosen to die.
This is Adum TV.
Basically that is it for this video. Just go straight to this website, type in or search for the country you want, and there are lots of channels that are going to appear for you to choose from, right? Yes. My name is Kripo. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I'm signing out.